Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 72 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off first of all by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the bottom of the key just here, or the tailgate itself, of course. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors. This car's got a reversing camera as well. Plenty of boot space, as you can see. 7 seats in total, although the rear 2 are currently folded down. And the previous owner of this vehicle has protected the rear of the car with this boot liner, as you can see. And that theme continues throughout the vehicle as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through those controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can firstly see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. I mentioned the protection throughout the car. You can see there the floor mats that cover the sides of the car as well. So really well looked after. We'll hop in now and run through some controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. On the right-hand side, you can then see the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment. We have the satellite navigation information being displayed in the center. You can change that info using buttons on the steering wheel, so we can have various different menus up here. You can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 15,548 at the time of recording this video. If we back out to the steering wheel next, the buttons I was just using a second ago are here. We have voice activation for your phone, and then we have cruise control over on this left-hand side. Over into the center next, we have the main touch screen. So this physical button will take you back to this menu if you wish to get to here at any point in time. Otherwise, everything else is fairly self-explanatory. You can see your satellite navigation, really nice, large, clear color display. Very easy system to use. Press that button, we're back to that main menu where you can access your audio menu. There's a number of ways you can listen to your music in this car. Of course, the radio, DAB, FM and AM. You can also listen to your own music. You can stream it via Bluetooth audio once you paired your phone. We have a car status menu at the bottom, and at the very bottom here, we can open up the climate control menu. So you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in. You can adjust the fan speed from here. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. We've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. And at the bottom here, you can see the passenger and driver temperatures. You can adjust those accordingly, both up and down. In the bottom right hand corner, we have adjustments for your heated driver's seat and heated steering wheel. There's 3 different temperatures on both of those. We've also then got our passenger heated seat over there as well. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll get the full color reversing camera, as you can see, and a visual guide to the parking sensors above that. Below the main screen, we then have the volume for the stereo, a few physical stereo buttons as well. You can open this up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket, and of course you can close that back over again. We can pop your phone on here for wireless phone charging, should you wish to do that, and assuming your phone is compatible, of course. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This is where you start and stop the engine for the car, so simply twist it. I've now switched the car off. Same again, and I've started it. Couple of cup holders, your electronic handbrake with an auto hold function as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So you can see the V5 registration document showing it's a 1-owner car from new. 2 keys with the vehicle, and then the service book showing the pre-delivery inspection, and then services for 2023. And only a couple of weeks ago at the time of filming this video in October 2024 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.